Hey everyone, in light of the current pandemic, I thought I'd make this quick humorous tutorial on how to make a bunch of toilet paper floating around. All you will need for this video is Video Copilot's Element 3D and a 3D model of toilet paper. You can find the link to the toilet paper I used in this video in the description. Let's get right into this. Open a new composition in After Effects and add a solid. Apply Element 3D and go into Scene Setup. Import your toilet paper 3D model and drag the textures from the folder into the respective texture slots. Go to the Advanced Materials settings and select Draw Back Faces. Leave Scene Setup and increase the particle count under Replicator settings. Change the replicator shape to a sphere, add a camera, zoom out and increase the particle scale. Go to Particle Look and select Multi-Object. Increase the random rotation and right-click the stopwatch and type in the expression time multiplied by 200. Increase the position noise to about 3 and right-click the noise evolution. Type in the expression time multiplied by 3. Add a group null and animate the position of the particles to your liking. Apply ambient occlusion set to ray traced. Add a parallel light and angle it to your liking. Turn on shadows and move the camera until you find a good position. If you did all of these steps right, your final result should look like this. If you want, this works great if you want to have toilet paper floating around your town. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Until next time, I'll see you later.